What is that, your new toothbrush? Is it a Dora toothbrush? What do you do with it?
Turn it off.
Well, show me how it works. It buzzes, but what do you do with the toothbrush? Do you brush your teeth with it? Oh, like that. That's how it works. Don't bite it. That's how it works. You're goofy. You know that? There's a big girl brushing her teeth, huh? Get the top ones. There you go. There you go. You're getting the top ones. The hair in your face. Say, what a goofy girl, huh? No, don't spit. Kiss. Whoa. Now you're just being a nut.
Hey, it's you.
I see you too. Goofy.
Dirty.
Okay, well, don't pull that.
I'm turn off.
No, it needs to stay.
Stay.
It needs to stay. Is that for me?
Nope. And
Nope.
me.
For who?
That's you.
That's you. What's your name?
Says
Sage.
Timmy.
Sage Kinley?
Says.
What is your name?
Timmy says.
Oh, that's what it is. Kinley Sage Foster. Well, you're a pretty girl. Don't bend it. It will break.
Don't. Hi, Mama. It's me.
It's you.
Say who?
Who?
Say who?
Who?
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Yes, you. Say, are you busy?
I'm busy.
Are you busy?
What?
You're not busy? Don't touch.
Shoo. Hit up, stand down. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Goofy, goofy, goofy. No, 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 no.
No.
Say 1, 2,
D,
4, 5,
D,
6,
7,
8.
8,
What comes next?
D,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
9,
12. Say bye-bye. We're going to turn it off. Say bye-bye.
no.